Greetings, everyone, and thank you for inviting me for this auspicious event. I see many young ones and leaders sitting here and representing this institution and the hope for this region. आज जो मैं आप लोगों से बात करना चाहूँगी वो 3-4 फैक्टर्स के ऊपर होंगे। बहुत आसान ये होगा कि अगर मैं अपनी कामयाबी को गिनूँ, आप लोग मेरी तालियाँ बजाएं और बात यहाँ पे ख़त्म हो जाए। But in this speech, I'm going to highlight 3 things that you have to remember and understand. That throughout this entrepreneurial journey, were 3 things you need to matter the most in your whole career. Number 1, the challenges. Number 2, the opportunities. जो साथ साथ चलती रहेंगी. By profession, I was not a businesswoman. I never started my entrepreneurial journey till 3 to 4 years back. मैं आप लोगों की तरह ही एक academician हूँ. 13 years and counting, I'm teaching in different university, national and international, and I'm a PhD scholar. Subject entrepreneurship हमेशा से मेरे लिए key subject इसलिए रहा है क्योंकि it shows many ways that how could you change and benefit society. Above all, how can you bring quality of life in yourself. मगर इन 13 सालों में जो मैंने पढ़ाया और जब मैं entrepreneurial journey पे आई, पढ़ाने में उस journey को साथ लेके चलने में बहुत फ़र्क है. Theory and experience is like complete parallel thing that you have to understand. Challenges हर day में होगा, especially अगर आप लोग अपने family में first generation हैं to step up into this. You need to prove yourself, you need to balance yourself, and you need to be the beacon of hope for future generation that you're going to lead. Especially उस areas में जहाँ पे आपको लगे कि बहुत traditional way में आप लोग entrepreneurship को लेते हुए चलते हैं. Entrepreneurship is a complete different way rather than you just opt for business journey. All right, I see very young ones looking over here. So what is the one thing I want to add here is that अगर female economically sustainable होगी, how much does it matter to the society, especially for the unit? Theory को हटा के हम practically बात करते हैं. 2015, we started with the company Aqua 360. In the area Orangi town in Karachi, and if you just Google it, know about Orangi town, you will know what kind of area is that. वहाँ पे हमने कोशिश की women empowerment के ऊपर. Then come again, women empowerment, it has nothing to do with making female rebellious, but giving them opportunity to prove their empowerment. Every woman is empowered by birth. They just need opportunity to just go with that. So we started with the small project, water bottle company. वहाँ की ख़वातीन को बाहर निकलना अलाउ नहीं था. वहाँ पे domestic violence बहुत ज़्यादा थी. वहाँ पे quality of life बिल्कुल भी नहीं थी. So यहाँ पे एक चीज़ मैं आपको highlight ये करना चाहती हूँ. Yes, it was very difficult to actually engage those women because we promised them that these females will not leave the houses. We will go to them, we will train them how to label the bottles, and per bottles they will get 1 rupees. So 1500 bottles का per quota उनको मिलता था. You can do the calculation how much money they used to get. तो जिस घर में घराने में 12 से 15,000 रुपए जो एक बंदा कमा के ला रहा है, उस घर में खातून अगर 40 to 45,000 ऐड कर रही है, so what will be the situation in that unit? The quality of life would improve. So अब आप जाके visit करें उसी मोहल्ले में, उसी घराने में जहाँ पे ख़वातीन पढ़ती नहीं थी, उनको अलाउ नहीं था पढ़ना, उनकी ज़िंदगी में differences आने शुरू हुए. They started learning, they started practicing, and they started to improve their quality of life. तो उनकी skills की कदर होनी शुरू हुई. तो इस छोटी सी कहानी से आप ये समझ सकते हैं कि अगर आप डोनेशन देते रहें उससे कोई ख़ास फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा। अगर आप उनको काम सिखाएं, उनको पुश करें, उनको चैलेंजेस फेस करने दें और चैलेंजेस ऐसे फेस करने दें कि वो अपने लिए खुद डिसीजन लें, प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करें, खुद से करें, सो उनके अंदर एक स्ट्रेंथ आएगी जो जनरेशन टू जनरेशन लीड होगी। So this is the most important element when it's come to women empowerment, but because it pays a great contribution towards stability, long-term stability. इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में मैं आप लोगों से एक रिक्वेस्ट ही करूँगी. It's very good to hear stories. It's very good to have decision to jump into this entrepreneurial journey. But when you do understand, सबसे easiest काम ये है कि आप failure को accept करके बैठ जाओ. सबसे easiest part entrepreneurial journey भी ये है. Have tantrum, leave it. Consistency and continuously facing towards failures is the key that you will break through your luck. वो opportunity आपको उसी तरह ही मिलेगी. Not every day you're going to succeed. Someday you will have family problems. Someday you yourself will not feel motivated to do anything. Sometimes your team will disappoint you. Sometimes you will get no opportunity at all from the market. You will be in the area जहाँ आपको लगेगा कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ या क्या कर रही हूँ. So this is the thing you have to face. Breakthrough, risk-taking, luck के साथ खेलना, it's not easy. You need to give yourself at least 6 to 2 years to understand yourself to the market you are going to compete. और आजकल earning through entrepreneurial journey is way much easier if you know exactly how to use technology as your weapon of success. कुछ mediums हैं जो आपके जो हैं tips पे होने चाहिए. First, अपने business या अपने idea को बेचने से पहले you know how to sell yourself, how to sell your profile. You must have a good LinkedIn profile. You must have a good interaction with Twitter profile, with the right people, with the right persona. These two things have made me stand this place. Talk to people, connect, share, listen. Not every time you're going to help, not every time you're going to get help, but you will have the right connection. अगर ये सब चीज़ें आप लोग जमकर इस पे काम करें, इसको ना छोड़ें, obviously you are on the right path. So entrepreneurship for the women, very important. Entrepreneurship for women, for your support in this society, in this mindset, very important. Because we female are trying to prove that we can do something. We can contribute something in your life, in a loved one's life. And for that, we need support. और सबसे प्यारी बात ये है कि incubation के नाम से जितनी ideas में आपके mentors बैठे हुए हैं, connecting from your teacher to mentors to the right investors is the key element. और अगर एक academia से ये connection or relationship of respect and support start होगी, this ripple effect can never end. So what we need to have an impact, to have more economic stability and quality of life that women can contribute in your life is going to give you ease, and in return, she just needs your support and respect. So that's all from my side, and thank you very much. I hope you all will support and stay connected and contribute towards all the betterment, towards not just in your life and to the society and better good. Thank you very much.